Hi, welcome to Cars from Haynes. This is our Audi TTS 2.0 TFSI, finished in black. This car is in such nice condition for the miles and the age, and there's such a popular car, the TTS. I mean, put a private plate on it and you look the nuts, but it's so nice. There's few stone chips on the bonnet as you'd expect for a car of this mileage. We will give it a good polish as well before it goes out, but it's come in really clean. Whoever owned this car before we bought it really looked after it. So you've got proper tyres on it. Wheels have just been refurbished. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it. Obviously the old one clearly wasn't fit for purpose for the last customer, so he changed it. As you can see, we've got the TTS Super leather seats, we've got the BOSE stereo, we've got heated seats, the S-Tronic or DSG gearbox. It really is a nice car. It's got a history folder, a large history folder. It's had a history of belts done. It's on 1 mile under 101,000 miles, but obviously we'll move it around the pitch, so it's probably going to go over 101. The whole spec will be on the advert. I don't normally do this, but I'll just show you the aftermarket thing. So this is the aftermarket thing. Assume it's got Bluetooth and all the bits and everything you need. I've not really played with it, to be honest. People probably know how to use these better than I do, but there you go, music. Probably got your radio and all the other bits. Z-links, I don't know what they are they? Probably you can link your car up or something. There you go. Get your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on there, I assume, or one or the other. Yep, so there's that. But yeah, it's a really lovely car, this. Really nice. We do offer finance. We take part exchanges. You go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.